Good afternoon, journaling friends. This is Cheryl Ann. Today is July 24th, and I'm with you today to discuss making my new personal journal. This is the one I'm currently using, and I noticed that I usually go August to August, and August isn't that far away, and I don't have that much room left. Let me see, I've got a pen in here. Hold on. Yeah, I've actually got almost one whole signature left. I love this size. It's the Sunset Western Garden book. And you'll notice I have a lot of photos in here from Arizona highways that I've pulled out and put in here. I have a lot of different colored scrapbook paper from different pads. I have all different kinds of writing paper, but see, I love to look at the photographs. So, yeah, I've got a whole signature left. But you know what? It's July and there's a thunderstorm outside coming down from the mountains, and I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna work on this. So you can see there's quite a difference in size. I think the Western Garden book is, it's 11 inches long. This one is 9.5. And I found it at the library. It was a cookbook on Spain. And my dad has one of his maternal grandfathers. Their family was from Spain, and so for me this would have a lot of significance for me. So I just thought I'd take you through and show you what I do. This is not what you have to do, but this is what I do for my journal, my personal journal. Okay, so first I like a lot of papers for writing. I have 21 of these. These are the composition books. You know, if you go to the back to school sales, pick these up for 50 cents. And what I do is I take my little pair of very pointy scissors and I cut the threads here in the middle, and I pull them out, and then you can just lift up the papers. So I have a lot of those papers. You know, I like to write in my journals. I don't like to doodle. I don't like to do art. I'm not an artist. You know, I'm a writer. So I like lots of papers to write. And you know what? In my own personal journal, I don't even know if I'm going to tea dye these. I didn't here in my other one. Some of them I did, but most of them I didn't. See? That one has a coyote because we live in the desert Southwest. I need to find that one because I want to put that in my new one. But most of the page I did have to trim a little bit. Well, I had to trim off one line, one row here on the bottom of these. And then this one, I got this order from scrapbook.com. It was like a $24 order. It was gorgeous paper. And the box they sent it in, look at that, it got bent. So I contacted them. I said, that whole shipment is ruined. And so they did replace it. So I'm not going to use those. I'll use those in my own personal. I'm saving up envelopes. I did splurge on Amazon, and I did get some of the, what do you call it? Horizontally lined paper. I'll show you. Yeah, it's Roaring Spring Wide Landscape Pad, and it's purple, pink, and blue. I didn't want to include the pink. I'm not a pink person at all. Yeah, so there's no pink. I don't have any yellow. It's on order, and I'll probably get it tomorrow. But see, I don't mind using paper like that. So I've got some of that. Then I've got different scrapbook papers. I like this one. This is from one of them I got over at Michael's. It's like 180 pages. But I like that one. First of all, it looks distressed, and it has the lines going the correct direction. I always like some wood, kind of wood grained paper, so I've got some of that. Oh, and look at this. Oh, this graph paper. Oh, I love that. Oh, I do have some ledger paper too, so I can include that. And then just some more kind of neutral brown. And this one I had to include because it has the little owl. I love owls. Oh, I missed the one up at the ranch, but a hawk moved into his territory and scared him off. So that's what I have so far. I think this is going to be 3 signatures. I don't think I can fit 4 in there, but I think I can fit 3. And with my arthritic hands, and for a week I had really bad sciatic nerve pain, and I've been sleeping with a pillow between my legs because that's what my back doctor told me to do years ago when I first developed it after falling off a friend's horse. She put 2 saddle pads on, and when I went to get off, of course, I landed on the ground, right on my tailbone. I've had sciatic nerve damage ever since, but it was really bad for about a week, and now I don't even notice it. I do have constant tingling in my feet 24/7, 365 from the nerve damage. I did pull some calendar pages. This is our local water district. They put out this gorgeous calendar. And then I wanted something with some something wintry, because I'll be using it in winter. So I found that one, and then my old standby, which is Arizona Highways. These I'll have to trim, because see they're a little bigger than the book. But if I trim off that white border, they'll fit in. So I have to have some of those. Look at that one. That one I'm going to have to turn sideways, I think, unless I attach it to something. So what I'm doing for right now is I'm just gathering papers, and I'm just kind of loosely putting them in this book. Oh, I have this nice ledger paper that I got at a yard sale up in Big Bear. This is nice. It's nice, sturdy, thick paper. It's really good. If you fold it, then you have 2 sides that are plain, and then I can always write something on the inside. So let me see what else I've got. This is the ledger paper. I ordered it off Amazon. It's National Premium Analysis Pad, 13 columns. It's 11 by 16 and 3/8. It's 50 sheets, and I am going to have to trim just a little bit off the top here, but I wanted the green because I like the green color, so I ordered that. Oh, and you know what? I don't worry that the composition book papers aren't here. If you put them in the book, and it's like I said, I had to trim them. They're the right size, but these other ones are a little, like these are a little smaller. But I don't worry about that because I will find some matching fabric, and I'll sew it on the edges to the blue, the purple, and the yellow. So I don't mind that because by the time I get the fabric on the edges, it'll come out to the edge. And then for the cover, this has that kind of slick, you can see it's that slick, shiny cover. But I love these colors. It's yellow and green. So I might just attach some fabric ruffles, and then I'll put some fabric here on the spine after I sew in my signatures. I actually did. I'm so proud of myself. This is my old one, and I actually did. See, that has 4. I can't believe it. They actually They actually look pretty good, don't you think? I think they look pretty good. So, but this is a really thick one. Yeah, this is 1.5 inches, and then the new one here. That's only 1 inch. So, that's why I said I think I'll just do the 3 signatures. And, I really like the map. I think I'm going to keep the map. See, my family, my dad's, one of his grandfathers? Yes, grandfather. No, great-grandfather. Their family was from this is called Celtic Spain, and a lot of people there have blonde hair and blue eyes, which I have. So I think I'm a throwback to that. But then my own maternal grandfather had, when he had hair, blonde hair and blue eyes. He had the most gorgeous blue eyes, which one of the grandsons has. So those things do get passed on. It may take a couple generations, but so anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. It is a little process that this is what I do. I will probably take a week to gather papers and materials, and then I'm going to start working on it because you know what? I want to have it ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was a little bit helpful for you. If you have any comments, please do leave them. I love to hear from people. I love to hear what you're working on. And that'll do it for now. I'm going to go outside and listen to the thunder. We're at the base of the Santa Rosa Mountains here in Palm Desert, and the storms have a tendency to come down off the mountains. Sometimes they go around us, and sometimes they don't. So we shall see. So until next time, bye for now.